Is your Xiaomi Mijia G1 not turning on and says, clean the cliff sensor? No worries, check out our recent customer success stories. The customer told us that the Xiaomi Mijia G1 shows a problem with one of its sensors, but is unsure which one, and the robot does turn on, but then stops. After that, we tried to run the robot and it said to clean the cliff sensor. After further investigation, we found the cliff sensor was faulty, so we recommended cliff sensor replacement. But hold on, there's more. Due to the age of the robot, we advised a deep cleaning service to revive its performance. Upon customer approval, we begin service and repair. To ensure the robot is problem-free after the service, we do unit testing. And now, it is back with a vengeance, better than ever. Need help with your robot vacuum? Contact us today.